Nation, what up, man? I'm in the truck. Check this out. This probably ain't gonna be no truck vlog though, man. Man, look, I'm steady. Hold on. I'm steady, man, investing into myself as far as this YouTube business, man. I had to have this. I should have been done it a long time ago. Man, shout out to 7A Chevy Boy, man, for putting this on my brain, cause I really was like, damn. But when he rode with me one day. Well, when he rode to that that drive up, the damn ride through with me, man, and for my auntie, and another one of my relatives was there, and she wanted to ride in the car. Man, when I tell you, when I left, man, she was screaming from the time I hit the gas to the time I stopped the car. When I got back, P was like, man, dog, hold on. P was like, man, dog, you should have had a camera on the inside, man. You should have recorded it, man. We heard her all the way down the street. Man, I was like, you know what? I should have. So guess what I done? I went and invested into myself again. I went and got this right here. Yeah, y'all. We got us a GoPro, man. I think it's $40 pieces. It's 40 pieces, man. I guess that's the charger. That's the actual GoPro. Came with a memory card. What's this? An 8 GB memory card. No, that ain't gonna work. Man, we got the case here. Did it go in? I don't know if it's waterproof or not. But man, they got all the mounts, man. They got, man, the head mount, the chest mount. They even got a tripod in here. Tripod. I don't know what this yellow thing is. Some kind of floating device, look like. The suction cup to go on the car, on the windshield, whatever. Man. And it was on eBay, man, it was $160, man, for all this right here. It's a GoPro Hero 5. I don't think it said on there. It said GoPro on there. But it's the Hero 5. I don't see it. Is it on here? Let me take it out. See if it said on here. No, I don't see it on there. But yeah, it's the GoPro Hero 5, man, and it yeah. Hero 5 Black Edition. It's $160, man. So yeah, man. So I can't wait to use it, man. I ain't lying. I'm probably gonna charge it up right now, man, because I want to use it just to see, you know what I'm saying, what's what with it. But yeah, man, you better believe me, I'm finna try to utilize every mount that's on it, man. The chest mount, the head mount. I'm trying to get y'all this good footage, man. You know what I'm saying? From all the angles. So when I ain't holding this camera, hopefully, man, I'm gonna be, you know what I'm saying, using this one here, man. All this stuff they got. A lot of this stuff, man, I know I probably ain't gonna use, but I'm a damn sure try. Yes, sir. So whenever I'm working on my roads now or something, man, all that working on my roads, man, doing anything, you know what I'm saying? I got a mount for it. I got a mount, chest mount, head mount. I got this little tripod right here, so I can, man, set it up and, you know, be doing all kind of stuff with it, man. So yeah. Hopefully, man, that works out pretty good for me. But yeah, man, I'm gonna come back, man. I'm gonna set some of this stuff up, man. Let y'all see. I'm gonna take it out the bag, set some of it up, and let y'all see it, man, when I get off or whatever. All right. What it do, nation? Got out work, I'm in this traffic. Dog, I'm about to pull my hair out, bro. I hate traffic, bro. Oh my God. Oh, whoa. Whoa, Caprice back there. But yeah, man. Dog, I hate that shit with a passion, bro. But I'm trying to stay positive, man. And go to my destination. Go to my destination, man. I'm about to go pick up this new logo, man. New Below Nation logo, man. So yeah. Man, look at this shit. Man, this don't make no damn sense. It's 5 o'clock. I was gonna say, is it even 5 o'clock yet? But yeah, anyway, man, y'all know where I'm pulling up to, man. Gotta pull up to Sign Pros, man. Gonna pull up Sign Pros. Pick up these logos. So, probably won't take the camera in, man, because they be having their music on, so. Yeah, but I'll hit y'all when I pull up at Sign Pros. Yeah, we at Sign Pros, man. Let me go up in here, see what we're working with. It's kind of dark, huh? Okay, yeah. So yeah, man. They had their music on, so I'm glad I didn't take the camera in there. But here we go. I like these, man. I probably could have done it instead of spacing it. I could have done it a little better, but I'm gonna show y'all anyway. Yes, sir. Got the speedometer field, man. I got that needle right in between that O and that N, man. Like I said yesterday, man, everything on Nation, man. I put that on Nation, man. Put that on Below Nation. Yes, sir. So, yeah. These new drums, man, I like this. So yeah, these drums is about to go on something. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna put them in my window. That's what I'm gonna do. Yep. But yeah, man. I'm excited about this new little movement here. Like I said, man, I'm just putting a facelift on the brand, man. Putting a facelift on the brand. And yeah, man, it's gonna be nice, man. I can get down with this. But yeah. Get back with y'all later, man, when I actually put it on something so y'all can see the actual colors of it. Yeah. Alright, y'all, so here we go, man. We got that GoPro Hero 5. Turn that thing on. Yeah, Hero 5. Modes. Turn that thing off. But this did come with a memory card. and the adapter. It's a little bitty memory card on the inside of it. The micro. Comes with a little micro card. But man, look at all these accessories it comes with. Come with something like a selfie stick. I think this go in the water. Yeah, it's in the water or something. I don't know. You got your suction cup. That's what I'll be using most of the time. On the window, putting on the car, whatever. Mounts. This right here is a head mount. This right here is a chest mount. I don't know what this is. It's like a clothespin or something, but grab stuff with that. A tripod. This all your other little screws to the mounts. These mounts here that you have stationary. Some more mounts. Some more mounts. I think this will actually go like on the cameras and stuff, I guess. And I gotta figure all this stuff out. So here's this right here is a waterproof case. I think I showed y'all this in the earlier video. Waterproof case. Some more mountain stuff. And I don't know what that is. But all this came with that for the 160. Now that's a GoPro Hero 5, so I mean that might be why, but I mean it's cool. I don't even really know nothing about GoPro, so I'm just cool with it. You know what I'm saying? To, you know, improve my footage, man, and my content. So yeah, I guess I'm gonna start working on it immediately. I'm gonna have to order me some new batteries. I'm gonna have to order some more batteries because I heard these batteries don't really last that long. So yeah, man, that's where we at. I gotta get this content up, man. I'm investing in myself, man, to get this content better, so I guess I'll play with these mounts. You know what I'm saying? Tonight or whatever, to see what go with what. Or tomorrow when I get to work or something, I don't know. But yeah, that's where we at, man. Below 25 with the GoPro Hero 5, man. This new content about to hit. So I know I told y'all couldn't see it because of the it was still in the wrapper, but yeah. So I put one on here. See how I go from dark to that light purple. Yeah. Below Nation, man. And I put the dial in between the O and the N on purpose, man. Cause everything on Nation, man. For sure. But yeah. That's where we at, man. So we got these. And I still got the other Below Nation ones with the outline of the car. And I still got the loopers one, so yeah, man. We rocking and rolling like that. So I guess that'll be the end of this video, man. Like I said, I appreciate all y'all support, man. All the ones that's supporting me, I appreciate man, I appreciate it. So yeah, with that being said, man, it's your boy Below 25. Here's what it is.